Hey, this is Whitey Man, and in this video I am going to show you how to change your RDP password in a few minutes. Before the video start, we want to let everyone know that if you need a high quality RDP, feel free to contact us on WhatsApp for more details. To change the RDP password, you will need two things, the current password and the new password. First, you need to click on the Windows button. Then select Settings. Next, choose the Account option. Now you will see the signing option button. Click on it. Then click on the password option and select the change button. Enter your current password and then click next. Now set your new password. Your password will be successfully changed. Thank you so much for watching these videos. Bye bye, tata for now.